Most of the traders mark the ICT breaker block wrong, and that's why they take the wrong trades. And most of them confuse it with the mitigation block. In the next video, I will be teaching you guys the mitigation block. In this video, we will be discussing the ICT breaker block. So here we have the bullish breaker block. A bullish breaker block is basically a bearish order block. If you don't know about the order block, bearish order block, you can go into my channel, scroll down and look for the order block video. So a bullish breaker block is basically a bearish order block. The important point here is that it should have swept the previous low or broke the previous low. A bearish order block which has swept previous low or broke previous low, and then price moves up and breaks up above the bearish order block. This bearish order block becomes the bullish breaker block. Before that, it was a bearish order block, it was acting as a resistance. Now, when it has been broken to the upside, now it will act as a breaker block. It's the responsibility will be opposite, and now it will act as a support, and price will test it and move away from it. So, what we have said, it should be a bearish order block which has swept or broken a previous low. Previous low's liquidity has been taken, then price moves up and close above the high of the bearish order block. Then the bearish order block becomes the bullish breaker block. Now let's check the example of this bullish breaker block in the market. Here we have, you can check, this is a gold XAU USD 15 minutes chart. We have a bearish order block here. This one is the bearish order block, valid bearish order block. Previous low has been broken. So now price has closed above it. When price closed above it, you can see immediately it is acting as a support. Two candles tried to retest this order block as a breaker, bullish breaker, and this order block rejected the price, and price rejected from here and then went up. So this was a valid bullish breaker block. The next thing we are going to study is bearish breaker block. Bearish breaker block is opposite of bullish breaker block. It is basically a bullish order block. You can see here we have a bullish order block. Now the important rule here we have that the bullish order block should have swept or broke the previous high. Here you can see the previous high has been broken. After breaking the previous high, price moves down and close below the order block. After moving down, price closes below the bullish order block. The bullish order block that was supposed to support the price has failed, and now it will act as a resistance. When price moves up, this order block will act as a resistance, and now price will reject from here and move down. So what we said, for a bearish breaker, there should be a bullish order block that has swept previous high or broke the previous high, then price moves down, breaks the low of bullish order block. The bullish order block becomes a bearish breaker block. Now let's check some examples of bearish breaker block. Here you can see we have a bullish order block at this point, and you can see the price close immediately below this order block. Here at this point, when price close below this order block is going to work as a bearish breaker block. When price test this bearish breaker block, the price has been rejected from here, and you can see a long rejection from here, and again here you can see the price has been rejected again from this area. So a bearish breaker block can act as a good resistance level. Let's have some more examples of bearish breaker block. Here you can see again we have a bullish order block at this point, and price has closed below this bullish order block. At this point, price has broke. Close below means the order block has not been respected and it has been broken to the downside. It works as a breaker block. Price tests the area of breaker block and then drops from here. You can see a good rejection from this area. So this is how you trade the ICT breaker block. In the next video, we will be discussing the ICT mitigation block. Most of the ICT traders are confused between mitigation block and the breaker block. I hope you got the idea of breaker block and you liked the video. If you have any question, you can comment in below and I will answer your comments via video. Hit the like button and subscribe button. Take care. Goodbye. I wish you good luck for your trades. Goodbye.